I guess you're wondering who we are. A Welsh county in the city of culture bid. How bizarre. But when you consider the definition of culture and what that truly means, the very essence of it is painted upon these streets. We're an ambitious and gritty folk in equal measure. What we lack in weather, we make up for in venture. From our local businesses, museums to science centres. We're home to the global Declan Swanning, Mullin-wielding, Deadpool Reg, you know. You might have heard them mentioned. You can't walk by without the sounds of bells ringing, the bustling of entrepreneurial flair and guitar stringing. Our focus hails from a love of social community care. When difficulty strikes, our family, our people are there, bringing character along with whatever we can share. We aim to build a larger table, invest in and inspire our youth. Our future, it matters. Break bread with strangers in Vasco da Gama. Plan and discover at T-Pow with pie and chips platters. Siarad our dialect over a pint in Cydweithrediad. A celebratory lost shoe night dancing in Chequers after. To flourish further is a dream and a belief we aren't afraid to grasp at. Doing it with our unique identity and our trademark banter. When challenges face us, we are the chance creators, tenacious traders, clothing branded, crisp cold lager tasting, all poet, all singing, hip-hop based change makers. Over 70 languages spoken here, a plethora of ways to express proudly what I am saying. We have an abundance of sheer brilliance from each one of our many diverse faces, an innate belonging, hiraeth. Our rugged hints have shaped us. That spark, humour and graft, it's famous. You can't visit this place without indulging in our bakers, crafters and upcyclers whilst picking up a pair of bespoke trainers. All right, a losing park in patience, yet rarely without saying. As towns go, that's definitely one of the good places. Cymru proud, Peldroed chanting, market loud, what a county, an unforgettable crowd. And it's the people that make it.
Bywyd ar y terfyn anghyffredin efo'r testyn ymestyn efo'r cleddyf creu a darlun a braslun yn tanio'r tirlun dwi'n bardd ar y terfyn yn rhwyg o'r ceiriadau o'r dwyran i'r gorllewin brawddegau fel menyn rugged fel denim o fel mae Kilkennin I'm still representing safio penillion fel penicillin a chwel y sioeau o mis Mehefin I Mehefin ha 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 Wrecsam ydy'r enw Wrecsam ydy'r enw gynrychioli'n rhwng lado Hawa o neb dau Ddiwylliant yn y lle Cut from a different cloth.
With us, there's no pretending. We know who we are. We know there are areas in need of love, replenishing, and confidence refreshing. But join our journey. Because what we have, our capabilities, are worth far more than the words I am expressing. Yet, with all that in mind, is this really what you would expect? Who are we? La. We are Wrexham.
Wrecsam.